Today I'm going to talk about 5 free tools that every YouTuber should know, and these are going to help you immensely. You don't have to spend a penny on that because I haven't still. So I want everybody to become consistent about their channel and earn some subscribers. Then you can spend on your YouTube channel. That's fine with me. So let's start. First of all, you have to realize this thing that success on YouTube does not depend on just a camera or a good mic or lighting. It takes a lot of other things and have to take in account. A script, what is your topic, then what is your thumbnail, where you make your thumbnails from, and what is the software you edit your videos in. And these are things that matters the most basically at the end of the day, just not the camera. You can make your lighting better in an editing tool software. And I'm going to talk about those tools and those free 5 tools that gonna help you a long way in your YouTube channel growth. First of all, CapCut. CapCut is the best software which is free right now, and you can use it, and it's easy to understand. It's simple editing. It's used for simple editing. I have been using it for a very long time now. And there's another version, a software basically, which is DaVinci Resolve, which is free. It's a heavy software if you can learn it on the way along making videos and editing them on DaVinci Resolve. It gives you a lot of other options for editing, but it's a bit harder than CapCut. CapCut is so simple, and DaVinci Resolve is a bit difficult, but it goes a long way. DaVinci Resolve is a very heavy software which is used in films as well. CapCut also edits TikTok videos, Instagram videos, a short version of them. It also provides them for free. From your long video, it automatically cuts a 5 to 10 seconds video for you. So that's again a plus. And for simple editing, adding a little music, maybe a little transitions, maybe CapCut is best till what I have experienced. Basically, I'm telling you what I have experienced, and I can tell my audience that this is what I've used and it's useful. The second thing I would like to talk about is TubeBuddy. You have a great software, and I'm talking about the free version right now, by the way. I'm not talking about the pro version, versions you can buy basically. So on the free version, you can know your statics, you can know your tags, what SEO is, and it helps you in every video to generate multiple tags, generate SEO for you, and tell other channels and videos SEOs to you, that how they are doing and what SEOs they place in their video, what tags they have put in their videos. So this is a free tool. You have to just install that on your tab basically, and it automatically connects with your YouTube channel, and you have to connect that, and after that it's just easy to use. Just read it and use it, and it's the best thing YouTube have just offered. Not just offered, it's been long, but I'm using it and I love it. And I'm talking about the free version right now. If you buy the other version, which is basically I think the pro one, so that's amazing. It helps you in keywords optimization, SEO, tags, and everything. So TubeBuddy is the best thing that YouTube allows for free. The other editing software basically I use is Canva. Canva is again free, and you can buy the pro version as well, but I'm talking about the free here. You can edit your thumbnails in seconds in Canva. Even you can write an ebook from Canva. So Canva is the best software, which is easy to use, and on just a few clicks you can generate your thumbnail. And the thumbnail is the most important part of a video, because the audience sees the thumbnail first. YouTube sees the tags, algorithm, SEO, and everything, but first thing audience see as the thumbnail. So you can easily make thumbnail from Canva. Canva is the best software till far I am using. If you know another software which is better than Canva, please do notify in the comment section. The next software I want to talk about is VidIQ. VidIQ is a secret tool for a viral video. I think it works like a GPS. It tells you that what is trending, and which videos are trending, which topics are trending, and you can make accordingly your video accordingly. It helps you discover your competitors and give you topics that are being popular these days. You can make videos accordingly, and before the wave passes of being viral topics and everything, you can make your own video with your own twist. That's the best part. The fifth tool is Audacity. Audacity is used for cleaning your audio, but I would say in a quiet room with a normal mic, you won't need a software. You know, as I told you that in CapCut there's a noise cancellation part, noise reduction, so you can reduce your voice noise from that, and you can work with an ordinary mic. That's it. But if you want to enhance your audio, Audacity is one of the softwares which is used to enhance your voice and voice quality. So if you want to use that, Audacity is the one. And I hope all this helped you and will help you in your next video, making thumbnails and your audio, making it better and everything. And if you like this video, do subscribe, because we need subscribers. And I would love your comments, and I'll reply to your comments, and see you in the next video.